And harmony has different connotations. And I think the difference for me, well, harmony is important, but I just reckon when the two are in conflict, respect and harmony, respect's got a trumpet. And I chose that word trump very, very carefully, even before the President arrived on the scene a few years ago. And I choose trump because I don't think respect beats it. I think when the two are in conflict, you go with respect. Because when you don't, if you do the opposite, if you go harmony, keep the peace, that's when things happen. I think unity probably describes my team. We were united in that we had a common purpose, similar to this team, this foundation. You've got a common purpose and a common reason for being. So our goal was to deliver the Australian Antarctic program. So I think unity is around having a common purpose and goal. Harmony is a lot more around that, keeping things smooth. And I worry about when that's the focus. I think you've got to be able to have robust, particularly in this industry, you've got to have robust conversations.